This video we are going to start a new module, that is a compressible flow. The lecture goes like this. First we will be defining what is a compressible flow, then we will be stating the relationship, that is the thermodynamic relationship in that equation of state and expansion and compression of a perfect gas. Right. Now, when we call a flow is compressible, that means if a density changes from point to point, right, in a flow, if a density changes from one point to another point, then that type of flow is called as a compressible flow. Right. I'll take one example of pipe flow here. This is section 1, right, this is section 1, this is the pipe here, and section 2. If density varies from this section to this section, then the flow is called as a compressible flow. Right. The definition goes like this. A compressible flow is defined as that type of flow in which density of the fluid does not remains constant during the flow. The density of the fluid does not remains constant during the flow, then that type of flow is called as a compressible flow. If I take a discharge in the previous case we used to write Q is equals to A into V. That means here the flow is incompressible, right. Then if I write Q is equals to rho AV, that is rho 1 A1 V1, which is equals to rho 2 A2 V2, then density is also varying from one section to another section, that is this section, that is this section to this section. If the density is also varying, then that type of flow we call it as a compressible flow, right. When I take an example of this, when a person fires a bullet, right, when a person fires a bullet, the bullet is traveling at some velocity, right. When surrounding the fluid which is surrounding that bullet, that is the air which is surrounding or the gases which is surrounding that bullet, will be under compression, right. There the density is very high compared to that of the density surrounding the air there, right. Then that type of flow is called as a compressible flow. Or an projectile or an aeroplane which is flying at high altitude with high velocity, right. The density of that fluid changes during the flow there, right. Also the gas which is flowing in a machines like compressors, turbines, gas turbines and all those things, or the flow of gases through orifice and nozzles, there also the density is varying, right. Then when we take a fluids like water and all those things, there the density might not vary considerably, but when we take a gas there, right, when we take a gas, the gas density will be varying in a flow in orifice, right, nozzles, gas turbines, compressors, projectiles and all those things, right. Then that type of flow is called as an compressible flow there, right. Now coming to the next topic, that is thermodynamic relationship, right. In thermodynamic relationship, first we will be stating with respect to the equation of states, right. Equation of state here means if I am writing a relationship between pressure, that is absolute pressure, specific volume, temperature, right, then that type of equation is called as an equation of state here. That means absolute pressure into specific volume is equals to R gas constant into T there, right. Here P is nothing but the absolute pressure. It is in terms of Newton per meter square, and small letter V is nothing but the specific volume, right. It is in terms of, that is volume per unit mass, that is volume here is meter cube per kg, right. And then R is the gas constant here. R is the gas constant, that is gas constant, that is 287 joules per kg Kelvin, right. Gas constant, that is 287 joules per kg Kelvin. T is the absolute temperature, absolute temperature in kelvins here, right. Now in this equation I have written the specific volume V. V is nothing but it is the reciprocal of density, right, reciprocal of density here, right. That is nothing but the specific volume. So when I substitute this value V is equals to 1 by rho here, so I will get P by rho is equals to RT here. P by rho is equals to RT, right? This equation is nothing but the equation of state. Why I am writing here? Because we are studying with respect to the compressible flow, right? In compressible flow, we need to state only with respect to the density here. With the definition, the density of the fluid does not remains constant. So, we need to write in terms of P by rho is equals to RT here. Right. Now, next one is the expansion and compression of a perfect gas. Expansion and compression of perfect gas. Right. In this expansion and compression of perfect gas, we will be defining with respect to the two processes, that is, one is the isothermal process and the adiabatic process. In that, first we will be defining with respect to the isothermal process. Right. In isothermal process, it is given, it is obtained by the Boyle's law. It states that is pressure into specific volume is equals to constant. Right. That is absolute pressure into specific volume is constant here. That means the process in which gases are compressed or expand while the temperature is kept constant here, right? Here temperature is kept constant. So that is PV is equals to some constant value, or else I can write P by rho is equals to constant. These things we will be using further in the topics. So I'll be explaining in brief there again. So in second one is the adiabatic process. Right. In adiabatic process, if the compression or expansion of a gas takes place in such a way, adiabatic process is a process in which the system neither gives heat nor takes heat from the surrounding. Right. Now, in compressible flow, if the compression or expansion of gas takes place in such a way that gas neither gives heat nor takes heat from the surrounding, then that process is called as an adiabatic process. It is given by PV raised to gamma equals C, that is constant. Yes. Right. This is what the adiabatic process here is, and gamma is Cp by Cv, which is equals to 1.4 for air. Right. Now, we in the previous case we have already known that is V is the specific volume, that is 1 divided by rho. It is the inverse of density here. When I substitute that value in the above equation, that is this equation here, I will be getting P divided by rho raised to gamma equals constant. Right. This is what the adiabatic process is. PV raised to gamma equals C. This is the adiabatic process. Right. Thank you. In next video, we will be discussing on the basic equation for compressible flow. In that, the continuity equation, Bernoulli's equation, momentum equation, and equation of states. Equation of states is already been discussed. Apart from this, we will be discussing other things. That is the continuity equation, Bernoulli's equation, and momentum equation. Right. Thank you.